Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure a health plan with UnitedHealthcare step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the UnitedHealthcare official website. Navigate to the section dedicated to health plans. Select the type of health plan you want to configure. Review the available plan options to understand their features and coverage. Click on the plan that best fits your needs. Read through the plan details thoroughly. Check eligibility requirements to ensure you qualify for the selected plan. Collect necessary personal information, such as social security numbers and income details. Proceed to the application section of the website. Fill out the online application form with your personal information. Double-check your entries for accuracy before submitting. Submit your application and take note of any confirmation number provided. Once your application is submitted, monitor your email for updates. If needed, reach out to UnitedHealthcare customer service for assistance. After approval, log into your account to review your plan specifics. Explore any additional features or benefits associated with your chosen plan. Familiarize yourself with the network of providers included in your plan. Set up payment options for your health coverage. Finally, keep all documentation and confirmation emails for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.